Your engine is the heart of your car, but what happens when the parts that hold it in place, the engine mounts, start to fail? Today, we'll break down the symptoms of bad engine mounts so you can spot the warning signs early and avoid bigger problems down the road. So subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. 1. Excessive vibrations. One of the first symptoms you'll notice is excessive vibration. Normally, engine mounts absorb vibrations, keeping your ride smooth. But when they're worn or broken, those vibrations travel through the frame and into the cabin. If your steering wheel, dashboard, or even your seat feels like it's buzzing while driving or idling, bad engine mounts could be the cause. 2. Clunking or banging noises. Hearing a loud clunk or bang when you accelerate, brake, or shift gears. That could mean your engine is shifting too much because the mounts aren't holding it securely. It's almost like the engine is jumping around inside the bay, and that's definitely not normal. 3. Engine movement. If you pop the hood and watch the engine while someone revs it lightly, you might actually see it move more than it should. A properly mounted engine should barely budge. Significant movement is a clear sign the mounts have weakened or broken. 4. Increased engine noise. Bad engine mounts can also cause more engine noise. You might hear rumbling, rattling, or unusual sounds, especially during acceleration or when the car is under load. That's because the engine vibrations are no longer being properly dampened. 5. Misalignment issues. In some cases, broken engine mounts can even affect the alignment of the car. You might experience pulling to one side, uneven driving, or even premature wear on other parts like hoses and belts because of the shifting engine. Quick tip, always check other components. Before replacing engine mounts, always make sure it's not another issue like a bad transmission mount or worn suspension components. A proper inspection by a qualified mechanic can save you time and money. So there you have it, the top symptoms of bad engine mounts. If you're noticing any of these signs, don't wait too long to get your vehicle checked. Driving with bad mounts can cause serious damage over time. Thanks for watching, and as always, drive safe. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. Thank you.